Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Max Tech, and today we should be looking at some hustle deals for over this month of October. I've recently gotten into the hustling part of PC building, basically buying cheap parts, putting them inside the systems and reselling them for a bit more. So yeah, with that, let's get into it. The truth. Alright, welcome back to the channel everyone, I'm Max Tech, and today we've got some pretty good deals over the month of October. So I've been in Gumtree, eBay and on Facebook, and I've collected a couple pretty good deals. So this computer right here, this one was a full system built for, got it for 30 bucks shipped. Pretty good deal. This was a $25 case, which is pretty cool. The CM Storm, to me it's bloody beautiful in my opinion. We then got a $20 LG S775 CPU, a quad core, overclockable. We also got a $7 power supply off one of my friends. Great deal. We got a HD 7950 with a reflashed R9 390X BIOS. I'm not sure that's equivalent, but I think that's what it is. And then lastly on the deal list, we got 4 sticks of DDR3, along with a GTX 650 Ti, a 1TB hard drive, and a whole computer. So you got the case, power supply, which is another Cooler Master, which is pretty cool, and a LG 1155 motherboard. I already tested most of these parts. I've already tested this one. I know that one works. I've tested this one. I know that one works. I know that one works. But for the rest, it's all untested. So yeah. So what we'll be doing is we're gonna give everything a good cleanse, and then in a further video, I'll be probably building a computer out of this one. We'll put an i5 3470 in this, pair it with the GTX 550 Ti, give it the same power supply, and we should be pretty much good to go. I'll give it a 250 gigabyte hard drive, give that 1 gig stick of, I'll give it 4 sticks of DDR2, so DDR3, sorry, so I'll get that out of the way. And we should have a pretty good gaming PC to go with this one. So yeah, let's get into unboxing this one. Right, so now I've got it outside, I've got to remove the side panel, and I just realized that this is not your standard type of layout for a computer. In reality, the standard layout would actually be like that, with most likely power supply at the bottom, motherboard over there, and then graphics card here with all the drives here, and these DVD drives up there. Instead, it's actually the opposite. If you look at that, the PC case is actually like so. So the motherboard's been flipped around, which is not bad. I mean, as long as this motherboard works, I don't have an issue with it. We also get onboard Wi-Fi, which is really awesome. And we, what else? We got a single intake fan. We've got the, like I said, the 12, what is this? The 550, so more like 500 watts. Power supply, which is awesome. It gives us 16 amps in both the 12 volt, which will be more than enough to run a GTX 650 Ti, so that's going to be awesome. Unfortunately, it comes with no CPU. Like I said, I'm probably going to chuck in my other i5 3470, and we should be pretty much good to go with this one. So yeah, other than that, I mean, I'm going to stick this one in, but I'll take everything out, give it a good old cleanse, and then I'll put everything back inside, and I'll give you the update. So let's go ahead and do that.
I feel better every day. The troubles I had have been washed away. I'm cleaning up my act and moving on. In the silence of my room, I'll sleep all night and get up at noon. There's nothing to distract me in my dreams. Like a pillow on my face, no one can hurt or invade my space. I still walk the streets with my head high. And though I wonder where I'd be if no one had helped or remembered me, I know my own will has got me through. I know why.
that's been it's been roughly 2 hours since I started cleaning. Yeah, so I ended up cleaning the case, and I cleaned both power supplies, the GTX, and EVGA card, the motherboard. And that's about all I got so far. So now it's getting kind of late, so now I'm gonna open up this box down here. I'm gonna show you what's inside there. I'll show you what's inside of here, the CPU, and then yeah, I'll just cut it there. Alright, so just open it up, and I have to admit it's pretty cool over here. A couple look at it. So we've got 2 copper heat pipes going through a CPU cooler, so I doubt that's going to be enough if overclocking is even enabled on this. I mean, it's got a pretty beefy cooler there. VRMs, doesn't have VRMs, but we'll see. The power supply is a pretty good power supply. It's 80 bronze power rated, so that's good. On the 12 volt line, was it 12 volt line? 12 volt line, on the second 12 volt line, we get 17.5 amps, and on the first one we get 12 amps, which is, in my opinion, pretty darn good, considering that the other ones only give like, what, 18. So it's all right. It's a good power supply. I won't talk shit about it. We also get a DVD drive. We also get a 100 and what is this? How the fuck do you take hard drives out of here? This is 160, so that's not bad. I can live with 160. I use it for a build, so that's all right. We get a Quadro card. I doubt Quadros are going to do much and not exactly anything powerful. We get Firewire, which it's a card, so I might sell for 20 bucks. A lot of people are looking for it. Supports up to 16 gigs of DDR2, so that means 4 sticks of DDR2, which wouldn't really produce that much. It does. It also has a 6-pin power supply here, right here. 6-pin right there. So that means that this power supply itself, this is a pretty darn good power supply. So I'll probably be opening it, cleaning it, but this is all in a later build. Pretty much I'll be restoring this PC and seeing how it goes. I mean, the exterior actually looks all right, but I mean, everything else will probably be grab all that and part it into that one. So yeah, there'll be a whole video. I'll probably end up restoring this one, cleaning everything out, making a nice video on it, shoving the HD 7970 in it, or shoving a 6950 in it, and see how that goes. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with what I've got. We got another i5 motherboard, so maybe I could grab this i5, put it in here, or maybe I could grab that i5, put it in there, giving it, it's an i5. It could be better suited for that graphics card right there. So I'll see. I'll probably end up doing the i5 build with that. That'll raise my price up, so maybe I'll be doing around $400 to the $300 mark. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I'll probably end up putting the GTX 650 Ti in here, replacing the Quadro card, keeping the Quadro card or selling it. If the 4 gigs of RAM here, I doubt much is going to be about it. And yeah, that's really it. The only issue I have with this board, yeah, I'll use it, no issues. I don't think it's got any proprietary from what I know. It doesn't, from what I see, it doesn't have really any proprietary. I mean, it's got USB 3 in the front. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. Focus. Oh, there we go, good boy. So you got front USB, we got audio, which is standard. We can get like one of those expansion port thingies, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to bother. I'll put Wi-Fi on here. I'll resolder the cable. It's just a single cable, so nothing much is going to happen. CPU, fan. I mean, it's normal stuff. This could easily fit in there, no issues. Yeah, we grab the IO chute from that PC and we'll shove it on this one. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a Core 2 quad build. This one, put the 6065 Ti in here, grab that card, put it in this case with this motherboard. I'll probably end up, I'll give you a little teaser, I'll probably end up actually spray painting this motherboard black or red, like giving it black and red accents. I'll do that, that's for sure. And that will give really a beast thing. And also buy a cooler for that, so I'll probably like lose out thermal sticky tape or something, just to cool that. So make sure that's nice and cool and doesn't overheat or stuff like that. So yeah, I honestly think came out pretty well today. Happy with what came out. So, what do you want me to tell you? Stay tuned for next videos, because the next 2 videos are gonna be, they're gonna be builds, proper PC builds for once, because I have been longing on this channel to do a proper PC build. Thank you for having watched the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, because I'll be posting on this channel some good stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. See you guys. Alex Tech is out.